We're about to start building our Jason log cabin. Before we begin, we've double checked that our base is square and level, which it is. Now it's time to identify the starting logs we'll need to begin the installation. All of our log cabins and summer houses start with half logs and full logs to begin the interlocking pattern. To identify which logs these are, I have laid out the instructions on a bit of scrap wood. Whether you choose to do this is up to you, but it does make life easier. I'm going to look at the elevation drawings, which are these four here. I've got the front wall, the left, the right, and the rear. When looking at these drawings, I can see on the front wall, it starts with a half log underneath the window, as well as a half log underneath the wall next to the door. In addition, on the rear wall, the entire whole wall starts on a full length half log at the bottom. So I'm going to find these half logs first. In addition, I'm going to find the parts that start at the bottom on the left and right walls.